precursor of what we got coming up. This is what we got now. We are switching these Michelins. This is gonna be more summers, right? And this is gonna be winters. We're switching it with the Continental DWS Extreme Contact. We got the tires, and we're gonna be showing you the wheels. All right, we're doing the Ferratas. These will be the wheels. So I thought long and hard about spokes, and I looked and looked and looked, and I didn't initially like spokes, but here's what I found. The more I looked, I really liked the concave of the spokes, right? So I looked at different kind of concaves, and this is the one that I like the most. So you're gonna see us, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the tires on first, but I'm going to vinyl wrap this carbon fiber, and just right here, right, give it a little difference in look. And after that, I'm gonna stagger the wheels. You'll notice the rears, just like here, these are staggered. I'm gonna stagger the wheels, and you'll take a look at how it looks. So stay tuned.